SmartEQ3 is an equalizer with a built-in AI engine that enhances the detail, clarity, and transparency of single tracks or even entire mixes with just a few clicks. To optimize a single track, first choose a suitable profile from the drop-down menu to prime the Smart Engine. Then, start the playback and hit the record button. Listen to how SmartEQ3 has corrected tonal imbalances by applying the Smart Filter. You can modify the processing by adjusting the Smart Filter in different ways. More on this in the next tutorial. Having a track sound good on its own is fantastic, but in a mix you need all the tracks to sound good in relation to one another. That's why we've taken a huge step forward with SmartEQ3. It is the world's first intelligent multi-track EQ. Its revolutionary cross-channel processing will apply spectral mixing techniques to get rid of masking effects, making your mix sound incredibly smooth. Click the Join Group button to access this new feature. You can add up to 6 instances to your group and create a sonic hierarchy using 3 layers. After hitting the record button in Group View, SmartEQ3 will analyze all the input signals. Let's compare the mix with and without the cross-channel processing doing its work.